Well, good early Friday morning, family. This is Ned with Simply Me Journey. Well, I told you I was going to do a review on my kerosene heater. This is a Dyno Glow Kerosene heater. I was going to do a review as well as show you how I fill the tank up. Um, I've been having it for a few months. When it got cold, I purchased it because I don't like cold air. And trying to see what other name on here. Yeah, family. Okay, a Dyno Glow Wick Dyna Glow WK11C8 is the model number name on it. And so here go my kerosene. This is the gas gauge here, and this is where I'm going to put my gas in. I mean my kerosene in this hole here. This is my funnel I use. On this side, this is how you turn on once I fill it up. Once I fill it up, I turn this in knob to bring the wick up. And I can look right up in here. And kind of ease it up. Once I turn the wick, turn this knob here, the wick will come up, and I can ease it up and I can see the wick. And as I turn this up, this lever here comes up. And then to ignite it, I just press this button here. When I press this button, I'll see the fire coming up here. So I can tell you one thing about this here, this Dyna Glow kerosene heater. It warms up my place better than anything. And right now I have a little blow heater. My brother heater about that height. It's I don't know what the watts is, but it's not warming the place up at all. Family, this is my get up in the morning and roll flow. So yeah, in my boots. Yeah. So I just put whatever on. This is the wood. Okay, this one I paid $50 for. Crown 1K kerosene. Paid 50 for 5 gallons. I got it from Tractor Supply, I believe. And this top here got a little rusted. So I was trying to make sure I get the rust from around here and kind of clean this up. And with the little top, I'm gonna put this on here. It got cold last night, family. I did have my heater on, and I think maybe about 5 o'clock this morning, the generator went out. Okay. You have to lift this little thing here up. Oh, it turned. Ouch. Turn the top off. Took the top off. Got a little rust there. Let me wipe that. Yeah. That rain had that we're sitting. I didn't have this one under the house like I have the other can. Put this here. These oh. This can here got water all on it too. Let me work with this one here first, and I'm gonna dry that one up and push it under the house some more. So, look like Rusty even trying to get inside this little area here. I don't want Rusty inside my kerosene. I don't want it to cause problems with my there's clean water in there too. Try to push this in here and get as much as that water from around that neck of this thing here as possible. Try to get it's got rust in it, so I don't want to do that muddy rust or whatever. And it's from dripping rain. So I'm just gonna clean this up as good as I can. Get more out of it. Yeah, I have a little bit left. Put this in here. Take the towel, soak it all up. that clean up. All right, good, it's good now. All right, so I have this little tab here. I have to pull this little tab. See how this neck of this thing, it'll come up. There we go. So I pull the tab, open. Now, to fill up my kerosene, let's turn this thing around. Turn it back around here. Just a little closer. Now it's 5 gallon, baby. It ain't, it's heavy. The other thing I tell y'all about being off grid, it ain't easy. I have had to pick up these 5 gallon tanks from my car to bring them back here, or either sometime I have my cart ready. But every time I have to fill up my gas, I got a 5 gallon gas thing I have to tote from the car. Clean up this area too. Try to keep, I don't want nothing getting in this thing here. So this here goes here. This part goes here. Now I'm getting ready to fill up. The reason why I'm filling up, I refuse to wake up in the morning in a cold place. So I lied when I said it's gonna be emergency only. Until these people get this pole hooked up, I'm not waking up to no cold place. But this thing run about 16 hours. Usually I started about 5 o'clock in the evening. So about 6 o'clock this morning to stop. Now I'm at what, 16 hours run time. But that baby got to be filled back up today. And I got a 5 gallon tank. It's empty. Because I had topped it off of what was left from yesterday and put in there. So that's going to be filled up today again. And I'm doing oil change and spark plug on this today, on my generator. So it'll be ready for the winter. All right, family. Now, this top here is supposed to be tight. So when I squeeze here, you see the oil come through here into this here. I have a gauge here that's going to tell me how much going in. Now you see how this thing, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to loose this cap. When I loose this cap here, the oil is going on in there. And it's showing that it's getting higher and higher. You know, so I'm going to tighten this back up. Tighten it back up. Pump it some more. It's going in there, but yeah, it's going in. I got this thing so tight it's all squeezed up. Yeah, over half already. So I just like to y'all this morning I woke up, it was cold, and I had this inside the cabin. It had just a little kerosene in it, so it didn't last very long. Oh, okay, let me kind of stop here. Look like it's filling on up. Yeah, the gauge is full. I'm gonna pump one more time, not all the way, but just a little bit more. Yeah. You can see the kerosene going back down into the containers that I released this here. Kerosene going back down there. The kerosene is full. So this top here, put that back on there. Okay, it's locked. I take this baby here, put it back over here. My storage. Down there. This is trash. This is trash. All right. I am on 4. Put my top. Put my top back on. bug got on that thing quick. This little bug was trying to take a hitchhike. Trying to hitchhike a ride or something. Alright, they leveled up. See my base up here. This had been in storage. I had put my kerosene heater in storage. Trying to make this to myself and not to use it. Let me tell you what. This girl don't like no cold air. Yeah, that's for the birds and the bees. It ain't for me. This is still. Now I got to push these things under the house a little better, so they won't get so the can won't get so rusted up. This can here is in better shape than the other, but I'm drying it off. It does have rust on the can, not as bad as the other can, so I'm gonna push this out of the house a bit more. This is my gas for my weed whacker. And y'all, I'm keeping this here kerosene container because once I find a gas station, I can fill up using this one here for sure. So that's why I'm gonna keep this one here. I already have a blue one. I will find a kerosene station, gas station that sells kerosene. And when I do find them, I'm going to fill that black and blue one up. I don't know if I can refill up these here. I may, but I'm gonna read it to see. These cans here going. So push them out here so they won't get wet. I can move this. This is what I talk about. How hard it is. 5 gallons of gas, of kerosene in here is very heavy. So this is what I have to do to keep myself warm. Let me bring this can here over some more. This is where I store my kerosene. This is where I store my gases. Trying to get here so they won't get wet when it rains. So, yeah, all you off-grid livers, somebody want to make it a glorious thing. It ain't glorious, hell. It's work. It's a lot of work involved in this. Where's my phone? So, yeah, I got to dress up today. I got to get dressed today. I gotta go pay my respect. Well, I'm not gonna go to where am I? Hey guys, what I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna get a whole lot of these here pads. I'm gonna get a lot of pads, and I'm gonna get a lot of pads that's gonna be able to, that I can put my what's that thing in my Gorilla Cot on. And I got another machine that I bought. I haven't showed you all that, but I'll show it to y'all soon. Soon as the weather dry up and I can bring it over here, I'll show it to you. But I'm going to make a big pad back here. It's going to be my storage for my stuff, and I'm gonna have heavy change running off. This gonna be changed down. That gonna be changed down. The other thing I'm gonna bring out here gonna be changed down, so that when I'm not home, I got family members on the left and on the right. Got family members, so they gonna know when I'm home or not. And I'm gonna make a nice pad for my stuff until I buy storage. And I'm gonna cover it up with these tarps. So by the time we get the flooring done, this is a 15 millimeter tarp, that black one. I'm gonna cover it up because it's huge. So I'll be able to cover my heavy equipment, all my stuff with this here. Now, I need to gas this baby up. I need to gas it up. We ran well last night. Everything. We ran well last night, so because I had my brother did come and he fixed that full string for me. While the nephew made his cover for me, where I could go for my generator. Love it. So one day I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna go and I'm going to get a lot of pads, put them back here, make my little temporary storage space, and cover my stuff up. All right, family, this baby's done. I'm going to be transporting this back to the house, back inside. We got a little morning glory working. Good morning glory. Yeah, it's coming out. Yeah, I feel like I'm about to burn up all this crap on me. Hot. I'm bringing the kerosene back up. That's the kind of light. To get my gas. Yeah, when I go in, go get my gas. I'll do that sometime. It's gonna be early. I'm gonna do it early. And family, I'm gonna bring this baby in. I don't have it anyway. Now I'm gonna leave it out here. I'm gonna just sit out in the house because we're not expecting any rain. So I'm just gonna set this here. I'm gonna set the heater under the house. Just later on because I got to pull out a lot of stuff anyway. We just gonna set this baby right under here. It's fine. Gas container set out so that I'll know when to I'll know when I go in the water just to remind me that I need to fill up my gas tank. I'm gonna let y'all see the inside. I fixed myself some hot water. We got water. Man, I'm hot. All right, family, y'all know what y'all getting ready to see? No, I did not fix up this morning. Got up with a cup of hot cocoa. Man, I'm hot. I don't know if I'm having a true moment, but I'm hot. And I have to fix myself up today. I got to fix my hair, put some nice clothes on. I have a little family gathering to attend. Oh, y'all get to see your hair. Whew. Man, I'm hot. Feel like I'm about to catch on fire. Ain't no fire in here, but I know this damn rubber band is gonna pop. Give me a second, man. Let me get my head together. Ain't nothing else together. Boy, this part feels good about my scalp. So I'm gonna show y'all on the last night setup. All right, fam. Oh, y'all can't see all the sexiness, honey. But let me just walk down so y'all can see all this sexy. Sexy for your mama. Sexy for your mama. Look at this. Now, what man wouldn't want to wake up to something looking? Look at this cute outfit. Yeah. Yeah. All right, family. This is whew. Yeah, I'm going to this is my rug. Since I put my feet on next to the bed or next to the cot. So what I'm doing is just open the curtains up. The light can come in. This is the little heater. My little heater. This is the heater though. That heater, it doesn't warm this whole place up at all. Not at all. Taking this off. Give us a little light. Back window. Whew. Man, I tell you that must have been a mature moment I had. My heater. Let's put these things here. Remote control. This goes to my tripod. Okay, so nice setup. My bed was over here. I already got my bed up. I picked it up earlier, so. And I'm heating me some water. Let me see, y'all. Let me see. This camera. Oh, okay. Hold on, fam. I need to erase it up. Let's give it some. Let's hike up these legs a little bit so y'all can see better. I want you to see the work. Trying to see the work that's been done. We got last night, yesterday evening. We got a man came and came and did some work. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my my tripod. Let me see if y'all can see the hole. Okay, I think you can see me better. I'm gonna put my cap back on because I'm feeling cool again. Okay, so this is the nighttime mode. I had my TV on, the little fan right here. And these are my inside socks. My inside socks. I just throw them in the corner. The throne. Okay. So I'm just giving you all the real version, okay? This is simply me. So yesterday, the guy came back. He's taping his back on this side of the wall. This side of the wall is done. All right, you see the top ceiling, the top part. So he did the taping spackling there. So this wall here is pretty much done. You just need to work in the ceiling part, which he started, but you need to work in the ceiling part doing the taping and stuff. And we have started on this wall. He's gonna probably finish up this wall, the back wall. He's gonna try to finish as much as stuff. He's gonna come earlier today and finish up as much as he can. So it's just slow process. Really, really is. And I don't know, it doesn't look like I'm gonna have any furniture, anything here by Christmas. So I have to order my furniture. I have to order a refrigerator or stove. My refrigerator will come from Home Depot. I already found what I wanted. My stove I'm gonna order through Amazon. It's gonna be a 20-inch. The stove is gonna 20 cubic feet. The refrigerator is gonna be 10 point something cubic feet. So it's gonna be small items just gonna sit on this side of the building. Yeah, that's warm. This is my what is it? Hot chocolate. I didn't tell no hot chocolate warm here this morning. So little trash bag over here. I got my cooler. I'm gonna make me some beef stew. Oh y'all, I'm getting cold again. I'm making some beef stew today and cornbread. And I might video it. But I have to, let me see. I don't feel like cooking any breakfast stuff, family. I really don't. I don't feel like cooking any breakfast stuff. I'm just getting stuff out of the way. I'm gonna make me cornbread for my beef stew. Beautiful. I'll make cornbread for beef stew. That's what I'm gonna have. I'll probably do that stuff by noon. But I do have ice in my cooler to keep it. I don't have to worry about it going bad on me. And then this ice in this cooler really lasts quite a few. It lasts about 5+ days. At least about 5 good days this ice lasts in my cooler. I'm trying to pull my shirt down. Oh, okay. Let me put my fathead screwdriver back in my toolbox. Or my tool case or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, family, this is what I be looking like in the morning. So, you know, now I don't think I can't glam up. Now, don't, that's, whew. Well, I can glam up. That picks me up now. For the most part, I'm out here, y'all, I'm working, so I ain't got time to be trying to look cute and do all that stuff. I don't have time right now when my place get together. And I can see the forest from the tree. I put this towel on this window, on both windows last night. Those are my curtains. Sometimes I do towels. Most of the time I do that little plastic, what is that stuff? Most of the time I do my garbage bag will stick to those windows. So at nighttime, most of the time I do put the garbage bag on the windows. But I'm hungry. I am hungry. I do have eggs. Oh, and I have grits. Oh, jeez, I don't feel like doing all of that. That's the only thing. I just don't feel like I'm gonna probably have to mosey on into the quarters and get me some when I go get my gas. Yeah, when I go get my gas, because I got some clothes, I'm just gonna throw them on. Something I was working in yesterday evening, because I didn't put this on to yesterday evening. Now, guys, look, yesterday, let me make sure this is on. I bought this $3.49 yesterday. It's already gone, okay? Already gone. And I got me some sweet potatoes. I don't know when I'm gonna cook them, but I'm gonna do one day I'm gonna cook them some sweet potatoes and cabbage. Probably after I finish my beef stew. After I finish my beef stew, then I'll do my sweet potatoes and cabbage. And I'll just eat sweet potato and cabbage. I don't have no meat. So, this is one of my curtains. So I'm getting ready to start moving these things over here. Just stack right here. My basket and all that. I'm getting ready to move this to the car. I'm gonna move my bed to the car. And that way I'm getting these things. The only thing I'm gonna leave in here is my chair and my TV. It's gonna stay. But these things I use on my cot at night. A heavy blanket. This is supposed to be came with the cot to, you know, whatever, it's supposed to be padded or something. My pillows, other blankets. This is my electric blanket, so I had that on last night. And had the electric blanket on, had the little fan going. But I had to push that fan from my head because it kept me congested last night. I can't stand stuff blowing in my face at all. So family, I just want to give y'all a little you know, this is something that I do in the mornings for sure. Is when I have to get ready, when I have to move things from out of the car, from out of the house into the car, so the guy can work. This is a daily, pretty much. He say he's coming to work. I get all this stuff out the way. I clear out as much as I can. And today we're going to take the scraps of the sheetrock. It's going to be removed today. He's going to take that to the dumpster somewhere. And so, family, I'm not going to keep y'all much longer. I just want to show y'all, yes, this is what I do early morning. If it's cold out there, and I'm trying to keep my heat going. Yeah, I refuse to be cold. No, I refuse to be cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down. And this is Ned Simple Me Journey. If you like my content, please hit the like and subscribe button, and just kind of giving y'all a look at what's going on sometime in the morning as well. I don't give all the videos, all the stuff. I mean, I don't do all the time, but yeah, most part I try to show y'all what's going on, because I say this is hard work, and I enjoy it. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy every moment of it. I enjoy every moment. All right, family. This is Ned Simple Me Journey, and what it is about your journey. Thank you guys. Appreciate you watching my video, and you all have a blessed day. And it's what is about your journey. Bye bye.